Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy to remove wrinkles and to get rid of wrinkles and look young no matter what's your age. This will help you guys and will get you an amazing results. The first thing we will need is Vaseline, and we'll need around half teaspoon. And then my friends will need baby oil, and add 2 teaspoons. And then we'll need 1 capsule of vitamin E. Mix these ingredients very well. Once it's mixed very well like so, my friends, we will need in a clean bowl, we'll need vitamin D from the egg yolk. So break 1 egg, and add the egg yolk on the remedy and mix very well. Once we mixed all the ingredients, our magical remedy is ready. As you can tell, it's all mixed up very well. Apply it on face, on hands, on any body part that you want to remove the wrinkles, like the neck for example. And this removes the wrinkles naturally, guys, with all the simple ingredients. We can prepare it at home and we'll get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It rejuvenate the skin and leave it until it dry out completely, and then wash it with warm water. It's recommended to use this remedy before sleep at night, and it will get you an amazing results, guys. From first night you will see an incredible result.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.